Put a little salt on the popcorn. Put a little soap in the popcorn. Put a little soap in the corn popcorn. You will want to have learned this. In a pot, heat a little oil and wait for it to heat up. Then, add the corn popcorn and wait for them to start popping before covering the pot. The popcorn will begin to pop, and we will leave them until they all pop. In the meantime, tell us which country or city you are watching us from, so we can give you a special shout-out in our next video. The greetings in this video are for Anders, who is watching us from Germany, and for Rose, who is following us from Spain. Thank you for always watching and enjoying our popcorn recipes. Once the popcorn has cooled, we add a little soap. We grate the soap on this thinner part of the grid. It is not necessary that it is a lot, just a little is enough. Leave us a score from 0 to 10, evaluating today's recipe because this is very important to us. Now, we transfer the popcorn to another container and crush them to obtain a mix of large and small pieces. After this process, we add a few tablespoons of baking soda on the popcorn and mix well. Then, we spread the grated soap on the popcorn and mix everything again. And that's all, friends. We just mix well so that everything is integrated. We take a popcorn with baking soda and soap and place it in the pantry, where we store the food. Thanks to this trick, we will eliminate the cockroaches. If you have cockroach problems at home, follow this advice and place the soap-treated popcorn where they usually appear. The cockroaches will be eliminated. If you made it this far, leave insect emojis so that I know you learned the cockroach elimination trick. If this is the first time you're encountering one of my videos, subscribe to be among the first to learn our pest control tips.